Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a juicy oven baked chicken. It is absolutely mouth-watering. Before I begin, if you're new here, take a quick moment to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's dive in. To begin, we're going to start by making a very delicious marinade for the chicken. I have about a 1/4 cup of olive oil here. I'm also going to mix it with some butter, maybe about 4 tablespoons of butter. Then we are going to dice up or mince our fresh herbs. I'm using parsley, chop it very finely. Also, we have thyme. Also, I have some rosemary. I'm going to dice everything together. Once you have it fine like this, you are going to transfer it to your butter. Beautiful. Also, we have some fresh garlic that we're going to add in. There you go. Scrape that off. Beautiful. I'm also going to add my seasoning in there. I like to mix it. Then I'm going to add that in. Mix it together. Just like this. And I'm going to save this for later just so I can sprinkle over the chicken. And this is your beautiful marinade. Now is the perfect time for me to spatchcock my chicken. I'm going to break the backbone or take it out so the chicken can cook faster. And there you go. Before you move on, go ahead, use a knife, go like this and flip your chicken over. Flip it over and press down to crack that middle part. Now you're going to pat dry your chicken before you season it. I'm going to add in my marinade. Mix it up together. And we're going to add it all over the chicken, just like this. We're going to rub it in. Rub that in. Rub it in just like this. Now you're going to flip it over, pat dry this side as well. And now you're going to add your seasoning all over and also lift up the skin and you can add that marinade in as well. All the way in there. And I'm going to do it for the thigh and the breast as well. Make sure it's right in there. Add that in just like this. It's gonna be so good. My marinade is a little too runny. I just wanted to let you guys know that, but it's still going to come out very tasty. And there you have it. The chicken is nicely marinated. You can leave it for about 30 minutes in the fridge before baking, but I'm going to bake it right now because I don't have time. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken to my baking tray. I'm using a cast iron, but of course you can use a regular baking tray. And after I add it here, I also have about a teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons in there. Mix it up together so I can make a nice gravy for the chicken. I'm going to pour that on the side, not on the chicken, okay? On the side. And if you have some bell peppers, you can add that in there as well. Some potatoes. Now I'm going to bake it on 350 for about 40 to 50 minutes. All right, guys, the chicken is ready and it's juicy. Come take a look. Y'all see how juicy this chicken is? Let's give it a try. So saucy too. My goodness. Wow. Immediately, you taste all the flavor, the herbs, the rosemary. So juicy, absolutely, absolutely flavorful. Can't go wrong with a big chicken. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try very, very soon. If this video was helpful, comment down below. Also, give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.